Fashionistas flock, history whispers, and a hidden vineyard holds a Renaissance master's secret. Milan offers more than just a pretty face. Will you climb the iconic Duomo or discover Da Vinci's hidden masterpiece? Join me on a journey to Milan, where high fashion meets hidden gems and every corner promises a surprise. Duomo di Milano. Ascend to the top of the Duomo, the awe-inspiring centerpiece of Milan. Imagine yourself standing in the shadow of this magnificent Gothic cathedral, marveling at its intricate details, stained glass windows, and breathtaking rooftop views of the city skyline. This iconic landmark is a testament to Milan's artistic heritage and a must-see for any visitor. Galleria Vittorio Emanuele III. Step into a luxurious shopping haven at the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, a stunning glass-domed arcade. Imagine yourself window shopping at prestigious designer stores, from Prada and Gucci to Armani and Versace, or simply soaking up the glamorous atmosphere while enjoying a cup of coffee under the ornate glass ceiling. This historical arcade offers a unique shopping experience and a chance to witness Milan's fashionable spirit. Cimitero Monumentale. Witness a unique blend of art and history at the Cimitero Monumentale, a cemetery renowned for its elaborate sculptures and mausoleums. Imagine yourself walking through the awe-inspiring grounds, marveling at the artistic expressions of grief and remembrance. This unconventional attraction offers a glimpse into Milan's funerary traditions and the artistic talents poured into commemorating the departed. Lake Como. Escape the city bustle and embrace the beauty of Lake Como, a picturesque lake nestled amidst the Italian Alps. Imagine yourself taking a scenic boat ride on the crystal-clear waters, exploring charming towns like Bellagio and Varenna, or simply relaxing amidst the breathtaking scenery. Lake Como offers a perfect day trip from Milan, providing a chance to experience the natural beauty of the region and unwind in a peaceful setting. Milan, a city where fashion reigns supreme. History whispers from ancient castles, and artistic treasures unfold around every corner. You've experienced just a taste of what Milan has to offer, from awe-inspiring architecture and world-class performances to hidden gems and tranquil escapes.